Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix an unidentified error occurred on PS Store. Go to settings from top right, then go to network. Now click on view PlayStation network status. Check errors here. Then go back to settings. Then go to users and accounts. Then go to payment and subscriptions. Now select your payment method. Now click on options button. Then delete the payment method. Then reboot the card. Then buy anything from the PlayStation Store. Now go to back and click on add funds. Redeem any codes here. Then go back. Now go to account and click on sign in ID. Now change your email address. Now go to other, then click on restore licenses. And the last step is turn off your PlayStation. Then unplug everything from your PlayStation. Now wait for some time, then replug back. By following these steps, you can fix an unidentified error occurred on PS Store.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.